In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention user groups in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the attention of the right people all at once without spamming everyone. First, open your browser and head to app.slack.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into your workspace so you land on the main Slack view. You can do this on the web or the desktop app. The steps are the same. The key idea here is that a user group is a collection of teammates, like a department or project squad, that you can notify with a single mention. It's perfect when you need a decision from a specific team or you're sharing an update that only they need to see. Next, choose the place where your message belongs. Click into the channel or conversation where you want to post. Pick a channel that's relevant to the group you're about to mention so your message has the right visibility and context. Keeping things in the right channel helps future you and your teammates find the conversation later. Now click into the message box at the bottom, type the @ followed by the name of the user group. For example, you might type @marketing or @design depending on what your workspace uses. As soon as you type the @ and a few letters, Slack will show suggestions. This autocomplete is your friend. It helps you pick the exact group and prevents typos. Select the correct group from the list to turn it into a clean mention in your draft. Before you send, add a brief, clear message explaining what you need and by when. A helpful mention might look like, @marketing final copy is ready for review by today at 3 p.m. This gives the group context and a timeline, which makes it easier for people to respond. Remember that user group mentions notify everyone in that group according to their notification settings, so use them thoughtfully. If you can wait, consider posting during your team's normal working hours to avoid pinging people across time zones unnecessarily. If you don't see the group you expect in the suggestions, it may not exist in your workspace or you might not have permission to mention it. In that case, check the spelling, try a few letters of the group name, or coordinate with a workspace admin to confirm the group is set up. Once everything looks good, send your message. That's it. Your user group mention will notify the right people instantly, helping you move work forward faster and with less noise.